Hello friends, this is Shravan. This is my YouTube channel Civil Engineering by Shravan. To subscribe my channel, click on subscribe button and click on bell icon for more interesting updates. In this video, I will explain you design of G+5 apartment building by using ETABS software part 2. So I was already done my analysis process and modeling process in my previous video. Please follow that video. So after analysis process completed, we have to proceed to the design process. So for that, initially we have to click on design option here. Click on concrete frame design. So here we have to select the view preferences option initially. So click on view preferences option initially. So in this respected view preferences, we have to select the code. Okay, so as per my assumption, just I am assuming IS 456 2000 code. So that's why I'm selecting here as IS 456 2000 code. If you want to select another code, you can select from this respected list. So simply I'm selecting IS 456. So again we have to keep the parameters same for this respected design. Click on OK. So after that, again we have to click on the design option, click on concrete frame design. So we have to select the minimum bar size as well as maximum bar size for the reinforcement section for the respected beam and column section. So for that, initially just I am selecting rebar selection rules for the column. So it will be consisting of your respected detailing option for two types of the load cases, which is non-seismic requirement case and seismic requirement case. So for this G+5 apartment building, I was applied seismic loading condition as well as wind loading condition. So that's why we have to select the this detailing for seismic requirements only. So here we have to select the smallest bar size and largest bar size. So here I'm assuming smallest bar size will be consisting of 12 mm. Again I'm selecting largest bar size will be consisting of 20 mm. So after that we have to select the ties bar size. So it will be consisting of your ties bar size, smallest bar size of 10 mm, just I'm assuming, and largest bar size just I'm taking it as 12. So after that we have to select the minimum spacing option. Okay, for this respected column section, just I'm assuming minimum spacing is 50 and maximum spacing just I'm taking it as 300. Click on OK. So after that, in the same way we have to select the rules for the beam sections also. So click on design option. In the same way we have to select the concrete frame design. Click on rebar selection rules for the beam section. So again it is also consisting of details for the non-seismic requirements and details for the seismic requirements. So initially we have to select this respected seismic requirement parameter. So here I'm selecting smallest bar size initially, just I'm taking it as 12 mm bar. Again I'm taking it as 12 mm bar. Largest bar size, just I'm assuming it as 20 mm bar. Again I'm taking it as 20 mm bars, and preferred bar size we have to select. So here I'm selecting it as 16 mm. Again I'm selecting 16 mm. Minimum bar size we have to select the parameters. So here I'm selecting it as 4 bars, and again in the same way just I'm selecting 4 bars. So after that we have to select the data which is related to the stirrups. Okay, so here I'm selecting smallest bar size, which is consisting of your respected 10 mm. Again I'm selecting maximum large bar size will be 12 mm. Again we have to select the spacing for the respected beam section also. So here I'm taking spacing as 75. Again I'm taking spacing as 300. Click on OK option. So after applying the rebar sizes, we have to click on design checks. Okay, we have to design this respected model. So further click on design, select concrete frame design, click on start design check here. So it will design this respected G+5 apartment building here. Now we can see the yellow mark is moving from this respected beam to beam section. So click on 3D view here. So this is the 3D view for this respected section. So it will be consisting of your reinforcement values for that respected beam section and column section for this 3D section. So again we have to select the design here. So in the same way we have to select the concrete frame design option. So here we have to select the display design information system. So here it will be consisting of output of longitudinal reinforcement. So here we have to select the shear reinforcement. So this is the important step. Click on apply, click on OK. So after that we have to select the detailing option. So initially we have to select the units for this respected detailing. So click on detailing preferences. So it will be consisting of your respected units in metric system, and length will be in meter, millimeter, millimeter. We have to select the force will be in kilonewton. Click on OK. So after that again click on detailing. Click on start detailing option here. So it will design this respected G+5 apartment building here. So this is the reinforcement value for this respected structure. So it will be consisting of your percentage of the reinforcement for the beam section and column section. So AST percentage, AST requirements for this respective section. So after that we have to select the drawing sheet component view here, plus mark. So here we have to select the standard detailing, list of drawings. So this is the list of drawings for this respected drawing sheets. So it will be consisting of cover sheet, general notes, floor framing plans, okay, beam scheduling and column scheduling, and concrete column layout. Okay, so initially I'm selecting typical concrete beam elevation section. So this is the typical concrete beam elevation section for this respected 2S frame. So select 3S frame. This is the typical cross section for this respected 3S frame. Again I'm selecting section A beam section. So this is the elevation for the beam A. So this is the section B. So click on section C option. So this is the section C. So in the same way we have to select the detailing for this respective reinforcement values for the beam and column section. Select the beam option here. Click on concrete beams. Select the scheduling and tables. Click on concrete beam section. So it will be consisting of your respective reinforcement values for the beam number, span, length, section, and this is the reinforcement values at different levels. So A section, B section, and C, D, E, F, G, H longitudinal bar sections. So this is the L1, L2 sections. Okay, so this is the stirrups reinforcement values. So it will be consisting of 3 bars of 10 mm dia, 150 mm. Okay, center to center distance at the zone A. Zone B will be 0, and zone C will be consisting of 29 or 10 mm, 150 center to center distance. So elevation section will be comes under your 2S section. Okay, so after that in the same way we have to select the column detailing. Select the column detailing. So select the concrete layout plan. So this is the concrete layout plan. So you can check it once. So after that we have to select the reports option. So select the reports. So click on reports here. So it will generate your project report. So it will be consisting of your each and individual calculation part which is related to the deflection, shear and bending and everything. So here it is adding the chapter 5, designing data 5 of 7. So this is the report for this respected project. So it will be consisting of 240 number of pages. So in this 240 number of pages, it will be consisting of all calculation part which is comes under your respected this respected G+5 apartment building. So it will be consisting of each and individual calculation part for the beam section, column section, reinforcement section for the slab, and each and everything calculation which is comes under your deflection, shear, bending. Okay, so this is the output file we have to take for designing of any kind of the structure which is comes under your apartment building. Okay, so this is the process, analysis and designing of G+5 apartment building by using ETABS software. Thank you.